In the heart of America's bustling East Coast lies a city whose skyline tells a tale of ambition, innovation, and cultural diversity. Welcome to New York, where the history of architecture unfolds like a living museum of human achievement. Early Dutch colonial settlements along the shores of Manhattan. New York's architectural journey begins in the early 17th century, when Dutch traders established the settlement of New Amsterdam. Simple wooden structures and trading posts dotted the landscape, reflecting the pragmatic spirit of the Dutch. In 1664, New Amsterdam became New York under English rule, ushering in an era of British colonial architecture. Elegant townhouses with stoops and brick facades lined the streets, while public buildings like Federal Hall embodied the neoclassical ideals of the time. 19th century New York, with Greek Revival architecture dominating the skyline. By the early 19th century, Greek Revival architecture had taken hold in New York, inspired by the classical architecture of ancient Greece. Columns, pediments, and symmetrical facades adorned grand institutions and private residences alike. Footage of the late 19th and early 20th centuries showcasing the rise of skyscrapers in New York City. The late 19th century marked a transformative period in New York's architectural history as the city embraced the skyscraper revolution. Ingenious engineers and bold architects sought to reach for the heavens, giving rise to iconic structures like the Flatiron Building and the Woolworth Building. Art Deco landmarks like the Chrysler Building and the Empire State Building, gleaming in the sunlight. The Art Deco era of the 1920s and 1930s brought a new sense of glamour and sophistication to New York's skyline. Sleek lines, geometric motifs, and lavish ornamentation define this iconic style, showcased in masterpieces such as the Chrysler Building and the Empire State Building. Footage of post-war New York, highlighting the emergence of modernist and international style architecture.